Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rati Kushwaha. I hope you are doing excellent today. A warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you to this insightful session. Whether you are BBA or MBA student, faculty or someone eager to learn about external analysis in strategic management for organizational success. So you are in right place. Today I am starting an exciting and valuable learning journey. So stay focused, stay engaged and actively participate throughout the session. आइए रणनीति प्रबंधन में बाहरी विश्लेषण को समझते हैं. So let's begin. Today I am going to explore the essential tools of external analysis in strategic management. External analysis tools in strategic management that evaluate a company's macro environment and industry landscape to identify opportunities and threats. Now, definition of external analysis. External analysis means studying outside factors that influence the organization's success and competitiveness. The external environment encompasses all factors outside an organization can influence its performance. These factors are often beyond the direct control of the company but can significantly impact its strategic choices and overall success. मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं कि बाहरी वातावरण की अच्छी समझ संगठनों को अवसरों और खतरों की पहचान करने में मदद करता है, जिससे वे बदलते और कॉम्पिटिटिव माहौल में खुद को ढालकर सफल हो सकते हैं. Main areas of external analysis in strategic management. First one, market trends. Changes in customer preferences that shift in customer needs and expectation that influence product demand. Demand patterns, market demand fluctuation affect sales and strategic planning. Industry growth, industry expansion and decline impacts business opportunities. अतः पर्यावरण अनुकूल यानी इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स की बढ़ती मांग नए अवसर को पैदा करती है. कंपटीशन एनालिसिस. Competitors' strength and weakness, understanding rival capabilities that help improve competitive strategy. Market share helps to evaluate the organization position compared to competitors. Pricing strategies, competitor pricing influences market competitiveness and profitability. हम कह सकते हैं कि यह संगठनों में प्रभावी ढंग से प्रतिस्पर्धा करने की योजना बनाने में मदद करता है. Third one, economic environment. Inflation, rising costs impact pricing, production and profitability. Interest rate, that borrowing cost, effective investment and expansion decisions. Economic growth, that is overall economic condition that influence market opportunities. Consumer purchasing power, customer spending ability directly impacts demand. आर्थिक मंदी में भी ग्राहकों का खर्च कम हो सकता है. फोर्थ वन, पॉलिटिकल एंड लीगल फैक्टर्स. गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, टैक्स लॉज, रेगुलेशन एंड ट्रेड रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. एज गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, पब्लिक policies shape business operation and strategic planning. Tax laws, taxation that affects profitability and financial planning. Regulations, नियमों का पालन संगठन की गतिविधियों और कार्य प्रणाली को प्रभावित करता है. ट्रेड रेस्ट्रिक्शन, इट इम्प्रूव import and export limitations that influence global operation. So overall we can say that new regulations may impact operation. Now fifth one, technological changes. Technological changes consist innovation where new technologies create strategic opportunities and challenges, while automation, it basically improves efficiency and operational productivity. Digital transformation, technology reshape business models and customer engagement. Advanced technology can create opportunities or threats. Social and cultural factors, lifestyle changes, changing social behavior that influence consumer demand. Demographics, population characteristics affect target markets. Consumer behavior, खरीदारी की आदतें मार्केटिंग और रणनीतिक निर्णयों को आकार देती हैं. Taking an example, we can say that growing health awareness may increase demand for healthy products. And the last one over here, global environment, international competition. Global rivals impact market positioning, exchange rates. Currently, fluctuations affect internal or international trade, global market opportunities, international expansion create new growth potential. What are purpose of external analysis? It predicts future trends that help predict environmental forces that may affect strategic management activities. मीन्स विकास के संभावित क्षेत्रों का पता लगाने और रिस्क की पहचान करने में सहायता करता है. It evaluates competition that allows businesses to analyze the level of competition in an industry, facilitate strategy formulation. It provides essential data to inform strategic choices and decision making. Now let's understand deep strategic function of each tool in detail. Pastel analysis. Given by Francis Aguilar, stands for as political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal. It is used to examine the macro-environmental factors that influence an organization's strategic decisions. It helps businesses that understand external opportunities, threats, and environmental changes that may affect long-term success. Purpose of Pastel analysis: it identifies external opportunities that help an organization recognize favorable external trends and conditions that can support growth and expansion. Recognize environmental threats, यह बाहरी रिस्क और चैलेंजेस की पहचान करता है जो संगठन के प्रदर्शन या रणनीतिक सफलता पर नकारात्मक प्रभाव डाल सकते हैं. इट सपोर्ट स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग. पेस्टल महत्वपूर्ण बाहरी जानकारी प्रदान करता है जिससे प्रबंधन प्रभावी और सही रणनीतियां बना सकता है. It improves adaptability. It enables organizations to respond proactively to changing environment conditions and remain competitive. It guides long-term decision making. Pastel supports sustainable future planning for assessing external factors that influence long-term organizational success. Let's discuss components of Pastel analysis. Political factors. These includes government action and political condition affecting business. Focus entirely on macro-environmental factors outside the organization, essential for scanning broad environmental changes. For an example, government policies, taxation, trade restriction, political stability. So, strategic importance of political factor is like राजनीतिक बदलावों का संचालन उनके निवेश और विस्तार पर सीधा असर पड़ सकता है. Economic factors. These involve economic conditions that affect business performance. For taking an example, inflation, interest rate, economic growth, exchange rate, consumer purchasing power. So these may be economic factors. Where strategic importance of economic factor may be, हम कह सकते हैं कि आर्थिक स्थितियां लाभप्रदता, मूल्य निर्धारण और मांग को प्रभावित करती हैं. Reaching towards social factors, these relate to societal trends, demographics and customer behavior. Taking example of population trend, lifestyle changes, education levels, consumer attitudes, cultural values. So strategic importance of social factors like social changes shape customer demand and market opportunities. Technological factors. These involve innovation and technological developments as well. Example for technological factors like automation, digital transformation, research and development, internet growth, new production technology. The strategic importance of technological factors that like technology can improve efficiency or disrupt industries. Environmental factors. These include ecological and sustainability concern. Example, climate change, waste management, sustainability regulations, energy use, environmental policies. Now, strategic importance of environmental factors. पर्यावरणीय दबाव संगठन की प्रतिष्ठा और नियमों का पालन को लगातार प्रभावित कर रहे हैं. Legal factors. These include laws and regulation governing business. For example, employment laws, consumer protection laws, health and safety regulation, intellectual property rights. So, strategic importance of legal factors and legal compliance is essential for sustainable operation. Now, go through the benefits of Pastel analysis. In simple way, we can say that our external environmental understanding equals to better strategic planning. Taking practical example of an automobile to understand it more clearly, political emission policies, economic fuel prices, Social factor may be demand for electric vehicles, technological EV innovation, environmental sustainability pressure, legal safety standards. Potter's 5 forces model developed by Michael Potter is a powerful external analysis framework used to evaluate the competitive structure of an industry. It helps organizations understand intensity of competition, profitability potential, and strategic position within a market. It analyzes the industry environment, specifically competitive rivalry, supplier power, buyer power, threat of new entrants, and threat of substitute. यह उद्योग के वातावरण का विश्लेषण करता है जिसमें प्रतिस्पर्धा, आपूर्तिकर्ताओं की शक्ति, खरीदारों की शक्ति, नए प्रवेशकों का खतरा और विकल्प उत्पादों का खतरा शामिल होता है. Purpose of Potter's 5 forces at may be analyze industry competition, identify external threats, assess market attractiveness, build competitive strategies, improve long-term profitability. The Potter's 5 forces are competitive rivalry, industry competition. This force examines the intensity of competition among existing firms in the industry. Factors that affect competitive rivalry as number of competitors, market growth rate, product differentiation, price competition, advertising battles. Taking example, in the smartphone market, brands like Apple and Samsung Electronics compete aggressively through pricing, innovation, and branding. A strategic impact is a high rivalry, it reduces profitability and increase competitive pressure. Now, threat of new entrants. This force measures how easily new competitors can enter the industry. Factors that affect new entrants as capital requirement, better brand loyalty, government regulation, economies of scale, access to distribution channel. And for an example, launch a large automobile company that requires huge investment, making entry difficult. Strategic impact of threat of new entrant, like higher barriers that protect existing firms, low barriers increase competition. Third one, bargaining power of supplier. This force evaluates how much power suppliers have over pricing and supply condition. Factors are number of supplier, uniqueness of material, switching cost, supplier concentration. A strategic impact may be strong supplier can increase cost and reduce profitability. Now, bargaining power of बायर्स, यह कीमतों, गुणवत्ता या सेवा को प्रभावित करने की ग्राहकों की क्षमता की जांच करता है. फैक्टर्स में भी नंबर ऑफ बायर्स, प्रोडक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्स, प्राइस सेंसिटिविटी, स्विचिंग ईज. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, एज लार्ज retailers purchasing products in bulk often demand lower prices. The strategic impact of bargaining power of buyers. Powerful buyers can force lower prices and better services. Now, threat of substitute product or services. This force measures the availability of alternative products that fulfill similar customer needs. Factors may be availability of alternatives, price performance ratio, customer willingness to switch. For an example, streaming services substituted traditional cable television. A strategic impact may be high substitute threats, limit pricing power and profitability. Benefits of Potter's 5 forces as understand industry structure, measure competition intensity, identify external risks, support strategic planning, improve market positioning. In simple formula, we can say that industry attractiveness equals to lower competitive forces. Taking an example, fast food industry, rivalry are many competitors, high rivalries are there. New entrants may be moderate, suppliers may be from low to moderate, buyers may be high, substitute will be high. So as a result, highly competitive industry with moderate profitability. Importance of Potter's 5 forces help businesses develop stronger market strategies, identify external pressures, improve competitive advantage, make better expansion decisions, protect long-term profitability. Heading towards an exciting topic, that is industry life cycle analysis. It assesses the stage of the industry, startup, growth, shakeout, maturity or decline to determine competitive intensity. It is an external strategic tool used to assess the stage of an industry development over time. It helps organizations understand market evolution, competition intensity, profitability potential and strategic opportunities. यह फ्रेमवर्क यह पहचान करता है कि उद्योग विभिन्न चरणों में किस प्रकार गुजरते हैं, जिससे व्यवसायों को अपनी रणनीतियों को बदलती हुई बाहरी परिस्थितियों के अनुरूप ढालने में मदद मिलती है। Purpose of industry life cycle analysis is to determine industry development stage, understand competitive intensity, predict market opportunities and risk, support strategic planning, guide investment and expansion decision. Main stages of industry life cycle. Startup. Introduction stage. This is at the early stage where the industry is newly emerging. What are the characteristics of introduction stage? Low competition, high innovation, limited customer awareness, high investment requirements, low sales volume. So basically it focuses on product development, market education, brand creation, innovation leadership. Example, early electric vehicle market. Competitive intensity are like low but uncertain. Now growth stage. The industry expands rapidly due to increasing demand. Characteristics may be rising customer acceptance, increasing sales, more competitors enter, profitability improves, market expansion, a strategic focus on market penetration, capacity expansion, competitive positioning and brand differentiation. Taking an example of a smartphone industry during rapid adoption. Shakeout stage. Competition intensifies and weaker firms begin exiting. Characteristics are market saturation begins, price competition rises, consolidation occurs, profit margins narrow, strong players dominate, strategic focus is cost efficiency, market survival, strategic alliances, operational excellence. For an example, ride sharing industry consolidation. Here competitive intensity is very high. Moving towards maturity stage, industry growth stabilizes and competition becomes intense over time. उद्योग की वृद्धि स्थिर हो गई है और यहाँ प्रतिस्पर्धा तीव्र हो गई है. Characteristics for maturity stage like slow growth, high market saturation, strong brand competition, stable demand, lower innovation rate, strategic focus, cost leadership, customer retention, process optimization, market share defense. Taking an example of soft drink industry, where we can say like very high competitive intensity. Now declining stage or decline stage, demand decreases due to substitutes, technological shift or changing customer preferences. Characteristics may be falling sales, industry contraction, reduced profitability, exit of firms, innovation declines. Strategic focus are diversification, market exit, product repositioning, cost control. Now benefits of industry life cycle analysis. It identify industry position, predict future challenges, support competitive strategy, guide investment decision, helps adapt to market evolution. And altogether, simple way we can say that industry stage understanding equals to better strategic positioning. Organization use this tool to adjust strategies according to industry stage, anticipate competition levels, allocate resources wisely, improve long-term survival. In practical example of automobile industry, I'll explain. Introduction, early automobile innovation, moving towards the growth, mass production expansion. In shakeout, industry consolidation, maturity, established global competition, and declines certain fuel-based segments facing EV disruption. Now very exciting analysis, that is SWOT analysis, opportunities and threats for external analysis as a tool. Developed by Albert Humphrey, SWOT defines external opportunities and threats to complement internal. These help organizations understand external market conditions, future possibilities and environmental risk. Meaning of opportunity, I can say that opportunities are favorable external condition that can help an organization grow, improve performance or gain competitive advantage. They arise from changes in market trends, technology, economy, customer behavior, government policies, global markets. What are the characteristics of opportunities external in nature? Create growth potential, improve profitability, support expansion, enhance competitive position. Examples of opportunities may be growing market demand, technological advancement, government incentives, rising customer preferences, new international markets, weak competitors, digital transformation. Strategic importance of opportunities, like organization use opportunities to expand business opportunities, launch new products, enter new markets, increase market share, improve innovation, build long-term growth. Meaning of threats. Threats are unfavorable external conditions that may negatively affect organizational performance, profitability or survival. खतरे ऐसी प्रतिकूल बाहरी स्थितियां हैं जो किसी संगठन के प्रदर्शन, लाभप्रदता या अस्तित्व पर नकारात्मक प्रभाव डाल सकती हैं. Threats emerge from competition, economic instability, legal restriction, technological disruption, changing customer preferences. What are the characteristics of threats then? External risk factors increase uncertainty, reduce profitability, create competitive pressure, challenge strategic stability. What are the examples of threat now? Intense competition, economic recession, rising inflation, new government regulations, technological disruption, changing consumer behavior, supply chain problems. Now, strategic importance of threats. Organizations analyze threats to reduce external risk, improve preparedness, develop defensive strategies, protect market position, ensure business continuity. Purpose of a SWOT, opportunity and threat in external analysis, is to identify external opportunities, recognize environmental threats, support strategic planning, improve adaptability, enhance competitive positioning. In simple formula, I can say that external opportunities minus external threats equals to strategic decision. Now let's have a practical example for an electric vehicle company. Opportunities as rising demand for EVs and government subsidies, green technology trend, global expansion. Threats as a strong competition, high battery cost, changing regulation, supply chain disruptions. So benefit of a SWOT external analysis are like improves environmental awareness, help predict market changes, and it support proactive strategies, सक्रिय रणनीति का समर्थन करता है, and reduce uncertainty, enhance strategic flexibility. Heading towards the value net analysis, it analyzes the firm, competitors and suppliers, and also including complementers, firms that provide a complementary product or services. The value net is an advanced external analysis framework used to understand how an organization interacts with different market players within the business ecosystem. Unlike traditional models that focus only on competition, and net value recognizes that organization can both compete and cooperate with others to create greater value. This model was developed by Adam Brandenburger and Barry Nailbuff. Main components of value net: customers. Customers purchase the organization products or services and generate revenue, as you can see in the diagram. Role of customers: influence demand, affect pricing decisions, share product development, determine market success. Taking an example, I can say that smartphone buyers that influence mobile technology innovation. Now suppliers. Supplier provide raw materials, technology, labor or services needed by the organization. The role of suppliers that affect production cost, influence production quality, impact supply chain efficiency. Including example, I can say that chip manufacturer that supplying technology companies. Competitors. Competitors are firms offering similar products or services in the same market. Role of competitors that create competitive pressure, influence pricing and innovation, affect market share. Taking example of competitor that two automobile companies competing for customers. Complementers. कॉम्प्लीमेंटर किसे कहते हैं? कॉम्प्लीमेंटर्स वे संगठन होते हैं जिनके उत्पाद या सेवाएं किसी अन्य कंपनी के उत्पाद का मूल्य बढ़ाते हैं. In simple understanding, I can say that when one product become more useful because another product exists. Example of complementers: main product as a smartphone and complementary product as mobile applications. Main product as laptop, complementary product may be software programs. Main product will be car, then complementary product will be fuel stations. Gaming console as a main product, then complementary product as video games. So these are the examples. Strategic importance of complementers. Complementers help organization increase product value, expand the market or customer demand, improve customer experience, build a strategic partnership, create larger market ecosystems. What are the core idea of ValueNet? When we talk on the basis of traditional thinking, business is only competition. But following towards the ValueNet thinking, business involve both competition and cooperation. This concept is often called co-opetition. Competition plus cooperation. Practical example of a smartphone industry. Component like customers, other smartphone users, suppliers, chip manufacturers, competitors, other smartphone brands, complementers, application developer, telecom providers. How then ValueNet differs from Porter's 5 forces? When we talk about the Porter's 5 forces, Porter's 5 forces focus mainly on competition, while ValueNet focus on both competition and cooperation. Porter's 5 forces focus on industry pressure analysis, while ValueNet analysis focus on business ecosystem analysis. Porter 5 forces are competitive strategy. ValueNet analysis follow collaborative value creation. Porter's 5 forces model is threat oriented, while ValueNet analysis is opportunity oriented. So as a result, the success of a smartphone increase when app developers' telecom services improve. What are the benefits of ValueNet analysis? It enhances strategic partnerships, identify growth opportunities, improves ecosystem understanding, encourage innovation collaboration. It basically supports long-term competitiveness. Strategic importance. Organization use ValueNet analysis to build alliances, improve customer values, expand markets, strengthen ecosystem relationship, encourage strategic flexibility. And altogether, I can say with simple formula that cooperation plus competition equals to greater value creation. You can see in wonderful presentation of market analysis that market analysis is a major external analysis tool used to strategic management to examine the market environment in which an organization operates. रणनीतिक योजना और निर्णय लेने में सहायता के लिए बाजार की स्थितियों, ग्राहक व्यवहार, उद्योग का रुझान, प्रतिस्पर्धा ताकतों और विकास के अवसरों का व्यवस्थित मूल्यांकन करता है. The primary goal is to identify market conditions that influence strategic decision and organizational success. Purpose of market analysis: identify market opportunities, understand customer demand, analyze competition, support strategic planning, reduce external risk, improve market position. It guides product development, support long-term growth. Key components of market analysis. This diagram basically highlights major components of that collectively shape strategic market understanding. First of all, market size. Market size refers to the total potential sales volume or demand for a product or service within a specific market. What are the importance of market size? It determines revenue potential, support investment decisions, help evaluate expansion opportunities, guide production planning, and strategic value is बड़े बाजार अक्सर विकास के अधिक अवसर प्रदान करते हैं. The next one, market segment. Market segmentation divides the broader market into common segments: demographic, geographic, behavioral, psychographic as well. Now, importance of it: improve targeting, enhance customer satisfaction, supports personalized marketing, maximizes strategic efficiency. Strategic value of, I can say that यह संगठनों को लाभदायक ग्राहकों और समूहों पर ध्यान देने के लिए केंद्रित करने में सक्षम बनाता है. Customer mix refers to the variety and composition of customers served by the organization. It includes individual consumers, business customers, premium buyers, budget customers. And importance of customer mix is like help understand revenue sources, support product customization, it improves customer relationship strategies. The strategic value of customer mix is ग्राहकों का संतुलन मिश्रण किसी एक वर्ग पर रणनीतिक निर्भरता को काम करता है. Competition influence, like competition influence examine how market competitors affect pricing, demand, innovation and strategy. Factors of competition influence: pricing pressure, innovation intensity, product differentiation, promotional strategies. And the importance of competition influence: it identifies competitive threats, supports positioning strategies, encourages strategic adoption. Strategic value of competition influence: प्रतिस्पर्धा को समझना रणनीतिक लचीलेपन को मजबूत करता है. Competitors are organizations offering similar products or services. By summarizing, I can tell that direct competitors for two clothing brands Indirect competitors are like tea and coffee brands. Emerging competitors are like startups introducing AI technology. Now, importance of competitors: help benchmark performance, supports differentiation, identifies strength and weaknesses. Strategic value is like a competitor's analysis is essential for sustainable competitive advantage. Moving toward the spending group, spending groups classify customers based on purchasing power and expenditure behavior. Categories may be high income consumers, middle income consumers, budget income consumers. Strategic value or like understanding is spending behavior that maximize profitability. The last one, market share. Market share represents the percentage of total market sales controlled by an organization. Importance of market share is to measure competitive position that reflect market strength, indicate strategic performance. Strategic value of market share: बाजार में अधिक हिस्सेदारी अक्सर ब्रांड के प्रभाव और मुनाफों को मजबूत करती है. Now, benefits of market analysis: better understanding of market condition, improved strategic planning that enhanced customer targeting, stronger competitive advantage, reduced strategic risk, better product positioning, increased profitability. Now, let me tell you with a practical example, taking for a smartphone industry. Market size are global in demand, growth rising in developing countries, customers are youth demand in features, competition multiple global brands, trends are like AI integration, foldable devices. So all over strategic outcome is for better product design and market expansion. So for the few strategic importance is like market analysis help organization identify profitable markets, enter new industries, improve customer value, reduce uncertainty. In simple formula, I can say that market understanding equals to better strategic decisions. Challenges of market analysis: rapid market changes, data inaccuracy, unpredictable customer behavior, and global competition. Moving toward the next slide, the process of external analysis. What is the procedure? Simple process flow of external analysis in strategic management. That external analysis in strategic management follows a logical sequence that help an organization understand external environment condition, recognize opportunities and threats, and develop effective long-term strategies. Scanning. First one is scanning. It involves systematically collecting information about the external environment. Focus area are political factors, economic conditions, social trend, technological changes, legal regulation, environmental factors, global developments, industry trends, customer behavior, competitor activities. What are the purpose of scanning? Is to detect external changes, monitor market conditions, and identify potential threats. Common tools that is used for scanning is pastel analysis, market research, industry reports. Strategic importance of scanning is like scanning बाहरी कारकों के प्रति जागरूकता पैदा करती है और संगठन के प्रदर्शन को प्रभावित कर सकते हैं. Analyze. Analyzing involves examining collected external data to understand patterns, relationship, and strategic implications. What are the activities of analyze? Industrial analysis, market trend analysis, competitor benchmarking, customer behavior analysis, global risk assessment. What is the purpose of it? Understand external condition, determine market attractiveness, and predict future environmental changes. Common tools are Porter 5 forces model, industry life cycle analysis, SWOT, opportunity and threat analysis. Now, strategic importance of analyze is to analysis convert raw data into meaningful strategic insights. Identify. This step focuses on identifying key opportunities and threats based on analysis. Opportunities may be new markets, emerging technologies, economic growth, and strategic partnerships. Threats may be competition, inflation, regulation changes, technological disruption, globally instability. Purpose of identify: it prioritize important external factors, recognize growth potential, anticipate risk. Strategic importance of identify. This stage separates critical strategic factors from less significant ones. यह चरण महत्वपूर्ण राजनीतिक कारकों को कम महत्वपूर्ण कारकों से अलग करता है. Now let's move to the fourth step, that is evaluate. Evaluation. Evaluation assesses the significance, urgency, and potential impact of identified opportunities and threats. What is the purpose of evaluation? Rank strategic priorities, determine response urgency. The strategic importance of evaluation, we can say that मूल्यांकन प्रबंधन को सबसे अधिक प्रभाव डालने वाला बाहरी मुद्दों पर ध्यान केंद्रित करने में मदद करता है. The last one over here is strategize. Strategizing involves developing strategic responses based on external evaluation. Strategic actions may be market entry, product innovation, diversification, competitive defense. Purpose of strategize: align strategy with external environment and improve adaptability. Strategic importance of strategize is to final step transform analysis into practical action. In summarizing, I can say that external analysis flow with an example like scan, collect external information as government EV policy, fuel prices, customer trends, analyze, interpret environmental data, competitor EV strategies, identify, recognize opportunities and threats. Opportunity may be EV growth and threat may be regulatory pressure. Strategize, develop strategic responses, invest in electric vehicle expansion. Now there are a few questions to consider for external analysis for examination purpose. You can write it down. Okay, now you can pause the video anytime to take notes, review key insights and learn at your own pace. Feel free to rewind and revisit any section whenever needed for deeper understanding. At the end, you will find a link to a story-based external analysis in strategic management. Kshitij Ke Sutradhar. This story is designed to explain the concept in a practical and engaging way. Please share it with those who may truly benefit from it for their academic preparation. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.